So today I want to teach you about another very important word in English, and the word is already. So we use already to talk about an action that has happened sooner than we expected. Here are some examples of this. I have just finished lunch, but I'm already hungry. I think Mary already knows about the surprise party. There are already about 10 people here. It is really important to remember that already is placed after the verb to be and before the adjective. Here are some examples. 15 minutes after the play had started, we were already bored. They knew that they were already late for the meeting. Try and make your own examples using already, and don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel, Hello English Cork. Happy learning!